So when you start the process, the first thing that you're gonna see is you see the slab in the house. They're coming to put the slab exactly the way the floor plan was. And after that, they put in, the frame, sheetrocks, and everything else. Throughout this process, I highly recommend for you or your agent to periodically go and check on that home. Like once a week, once every other week, once a month, something that you know how the house is being built. Now, if you work with a good builder, that visits is going to be very, very limited. But if you're working with the cheapest builder that you could find, you want to go and check on that quality, because after they put the sheetrocks and everything, you won't be able to see anything else. And again, it takes about 4 to 6 months to get the house completed. When the house almost is finished and 95% is finished, we usually order inspection for the home, that the licensed inspector to go to check all the major items in the house, including AC, ductwork, foundation, roof, structure, anything that can be major for a house. Not because the builder was a bad builder and didn't build a nice house. Typically, builders hire a lot of subcontractors to do the job. And then those subcontractor hires another subcontractor and employees to do the job. And if somebody missed something in this process, you want to know it before the house is finished and ask the builder to fix it before the house is finished. Very important to know, this process can be very, very stressful if you don't set the expectation right. If you question so many questions that you don't know the answer yourself. Now, if you're thinking about building, we would love to sit down with you and talk to you about how we can help you to browse through 150 registered builders in Lubbock, Texas, to build your home. Who is going to be a right fit for you? We would love to help you with anything. If you have any question, just reach out and we answer all those questions for you. God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon.